On a rainy day while sitting beside a window with a hot cup of tea, we all had that remarkable memory of feelings with a leisure time.
Watching the rain feels good, but utilizing the rain gives more joy and happiness. The Gangetic Plains of West Bengal receives about 1450 millimeters of rainfall every year on an average. If we manage to collect rainwater from the rooftop of 15 meters square house, then the total water will be collected over the year will be 24,840 liters of water. This could easily cope up with the drinking needs of a family of around 10 members for a year. I think that this have given you the basic idea about the utility and storage of rainwater harvesting. The practice of rainwater harvesting started from the Stone Age. Evidence shows the sign of many rainwater collection systems around 2500 BCE in India, Mesopotamia, China, and modern day Israel. Now, coming to the Middle East, during Christian era, the civilizations in the Middle East survived by capturing the water from hillside and storing it in cisterns. The cisterns were a big reservoir. They were big enough to hold 10,000 to 50,000 gallons of water. In ancient Rome, the civilization also had a collection system. They were so huge that you could literally sail in it. India had been leading in this practice since the past. The civilizations like the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are a quite example of this. The modern day Rajasthan has many evidences to show the conservative nature and mindset of the people. Throughout the state, you will find many evidences like kunds, which are more like a pond for the community. These kunds are placed below the ponds so that the water, when goes down, the people could access the water stored in the reservoir in the well. Another huge structures which were designed to harvest rainwater were the step wells. The step wells are specially designed beautiful reservoirs for the community that reveals new stairs when the water goes down. The Mughals also practiced rainwater harvesting. Some of the epic structures and useful structures are on your screen. As the population expanded, it resulted in a contamination of these reservoirs and collection surfaces. As the local government came into power, they assured a daily supply of this potable water for drinking. Slowly everyone relied on these amenities. By then, the rainwater harvesting has only been a school project. As the rains are sudden, the droughts won't be late. We have to practice our old methods of rainwater harvesting in a new, modern way. So we have constructed our own rainwater harvesting system in our attic. This could combat many storage or contamination related problems that we face while rainwater harvesting. Detailed video of this huge project will be up on my channel. Till then, think of new rainwater harvesting systems, implement it. Don't let this free amenity to get wasted, because every drop counts.